जी तो दोस्तों पहुतासीं हाणे जेका असां अदा तमाची जे आशियाने ते म्याण ॻोठ में म्याण ॻोठ में असांजो जंहिंजो मूं ज़िक्र कयो वीडियो में त तमाची मल जो फर्ज़ंद आहे अदा साजन दास साहब जेको हर प्रोग्राम में तमामु असांजी भील बिरादरी जे लाइ वॾा प्रचार ॾींदो हो। अॼु जेका असां अरबेलो थी वञे पियो इंडिया ऐं अॼु असांजे सुहारी सिंध में ख़्यालु विदा करे वञे पियो त साईं जन जा गुरु साहब बि आयल आहिनि भगत राजूराम साहब साईं हेॾा असांजो तमाची मल पाण मौजूदु आहे साईं नारूमल साहब त तमाची मल अॼु जेका अॼु असां सां असांजी सुहारी सिंध में तव्हां जेका असांजी पाड़ेसी देश भारत वञी रहिया आहियो भॻवानु तव्हांखे ख़ुशि रखे। तव्हां वॾी स्ट्रगल कई तालीम जे हवाले सां त असां मतिलबु वॾा थी पंहिंजी जेका असां सिंध जी धरती जी ख़िदमत कंदासीं ऐं अॼु वरी तव्हां जेका अचानक तव्हांजो रोज़ी जो पाणी जो नसीब जी ॻाल्हि हूंदी आहे। अॼु तव्हांजो प्रोग्राम थी वियो असांजे पाड़ेसी देश भारत तरफ़ त छा चवणु चाहींदो जी इंग्लिश में भले ॿुधाए छो त तव्हांजो मैसेज फॉरेन कंट्री या दोस्त बि ॾिसनि था जी।
Yeah, first of all, I start with the name of God, who is most merciful and beneficial. So, when you leave your home, when you leave your homeland, it becomes very difficult to leave that personal, specific place where you born. Okay, so I don't know that I don't have words to explain that how difficulty and how hardish I'm feeling to take away from my country, from my homeland. But there is very deep and very serious issues behind that, because we are immigrating from here, from Pakistan to from our homeland, not Pakistan. I'm not saying Pakistan, I'm saying from my homeland to the neighbor homeland. We are suffering a lots of problem. We are not getting the complete rights of our education. We are not getting any kinds of rights, not only of education, not of but any kinds of rights we are not getting. And we can also see the current situation of our Sindh, of our mother homeland. We are not seeing any kind of improving or developing situation. So I just want to request everyone that kindly give the complete rights of everyone, and also belonging human rights. There is our very special guest. I'm very thankful, and my dear uncle Mr. Wafa Sumro Layuti, I'm very with the with my heart, with the deepest core of my heart, I'm very thankful to Mr. Wafa Sumro Layuti Sahab. He came to my poor home, and he granted me a more respect, and I'm very glad that he has covered a big journey to come to me, and I'm very glad. But yeah, I'm also sad because I'm leaving my homeland. Yeah. Thank you.